In this video, I'm going to show you one of the indicator that is highly powerful and it is based on the price action. And this indicator is 100% better than the artificial indicators that are available on TradingView. Okay, guys, so this indicator basically it consists of bank buying order and bank selling order, and we have the dotted lines in this indicator. So from the bank buying order, as you can see on Euro USD, we have received the boost, and whenever the price closes up, any candle closes above the red dotted line, it's a buy signal. Now just have a look on the Euro USD chart that it is going all the time up from the above. When the price is closing above the dotted line, red dotted line, then you can see the price is going up, and even from the bank buying order, the price already moved up. So this is one of the fantastic indicators that you can use for your trading, and it consists of bank selling order plus red dotted line and bank buying order with the green dotted line. And though these both lines have a great impact. Now look at this is the green line. Whenever the candle closes below the green line, then what you see that the market starts to go down. So this is the concept that we have developed in this indicator, and this is one of the powerful indicators available for trading. Okay, so my students are using this indicator and they are milking profits every day. If you just open the Telegram channel, the link is given in the description of this video below, and you will find my students how they are copying the signals from this indicator and enjoying the big profits. So I recommend you to go to fxmentorus.com. This is my website where I have provided the broker link as well on the website. And also, if you go to the contact us option, then you can go to the Telegram channel here, and you can also email us and you can book the lifetime versions of these indicators. And the second thing, the two indicators are listed on our website. The first indicator is the bank selling and bank buying order. All details are provided on the website. The second indicator is the swing trading guru, and these are the two indicators that we provide to our subscribers. And you, as per your choice, you can book the lifetime version of any indicator. Okay, now just have a look here. What's going on here? Just above the bank buying order, what you see, the price is moving into the upward direction. And already when we talk about the price on USD CHF, it is rejected from the bank selling order. So this indicator works pretty well in Forex, crypto, stocks, whatever you trade. This indicator works very well. Like, for example, this is the bank Nifty chart. Now you can see the price is going down after touching the bank selling order, and this is on the screen. Okay, and these dotted lines subject to never repaint. You can use this indicator in Forex, stocks, everything. Like if I open the US 30 chart, and now you can see it is trying to close above the red dotted line, and if it close above, then it means that it can go further up. Okay, so buying signal in that case, like it was the buying signal in that case. Okay, our second indicator is the swing trading guru. So if you say I can attach this indicator and show you its journal signal, so let me off this one. Okay, so this is the second indicator, that is the bullish signal, good for scalping, bearish only good for scalping. So I can show you more. Okay, so this is straightforward buy and sell signals, no other thing. Okay, you can see the bullish signal on Great Britain pound JPY, price is up, and let's go back. There must be some bearish signal here, somewhere here. Okay, now you can see, because this indicator does not give you very long signal. Look at this. This is the bearish signal, previously bullish signal for scalping, and now you can see the bearish signal long ride. And this is also a fantastic, like if you want to get a buy sell signal indicator, this is one of the top one. Look at this. This is the 5-minute chart on gold, and you can see we have a bullish signal from here. So this indicator is specialized in providing the long rides. Okay, so for example, the bullish signal is running, that bearish that's unsuccessful. Okay, so go to any other chart like Euro USD. So let's see. Okay, right now no signal on the chart, but there must be running one. Look at this, bullish, the bearish losing one. This bullish was good for scalping. Okay, so these are the two indicators that you can book for your scalping needs, and do not use this indicator into the ranging pattern, otherwise it can give a loss. But the bank indicator is the top one, and you can book the lifetime version of this indicator by contacting on Telegram or website you can contact. Thank you very much for watching this video.